Hi, I'm Paul Pilzarski, and here's your new home in Mesa, Arizona. I'm looking north at the property. Let me back it up a little bit. Okay, here we are located inside of a huge cul-de-sac. This is looking east, south, west, and here we are back north looking at the home. Let's go inside and look around the home and also the neighborhood. This property backs up to the 12th hole of a golf course. Okay, so here we are looking north at the home. Again, we're looking east, we're looking south, we're looking west, and let's walk in the home. So I'm walking towards the east side of the property. You know, I think one of the best features, it's all about location, location, location. And this is on a golf course, so it's a premium lot. This is how big this yard is. There's no HOA here, so you could put another building. You could put a garage. If you had an RV, a fifth wheel, you could fit it right over here on the side of the home. The air conditioning unit over here, it was installed in October 2022. So it's still under warranty. That transfers to the next buyer. So this is an oversized cul-de-sac lot. There's a lemon tree. There's a large covered patio on the west side of the home. And here we are on the golf course. If you look way out there in the distance, you'll see that's the Superstition Mountain. We're turning north, more mountains. The 12th hole. And here we are looking at the home. Funny, someone just hit a golf ball. I'm trying to figure out from where. Oh, I see them. Teach them young. Okay, then you be teaching him. So here we are in the golf course. Here I am looking west. Here I am looking south at the home. East. One of my favorite mountain ranges, the Superstition Mountains. We're looking north. West. And now, let's go look at the home. Things I would do. See how these neighbors, they put little entranceways inside their fence? I'd put one right there. So when you're playing on the course, you can just ride into your backyard, grab a drink, or when you're done for the evening, you've played all 18 holes, you just drive in through the back. See how all the neighbors have their little entrances? Be easy to do. Okay, so here we go. West. Looking north. Looking east. And let's go look at the home. That is one big cactus tree. Great thing about it, low maintenance. It's actually an olive tree right there. This is a large covered patio. It's a lemon tree, giving a little bit of extra water while I'm here. This home has refrigeration and evap. Evap is selling as is. You can see how big this yard is. Now the wall of the yard is that line of rocks. There's a front door. We're going to enter in through the kitchen. Oh, hold on. Before we go in, here's a laundry room and a storage shed. Small little workshop, I guess you'd say. Here we are entering into your home. Nice and cool inside. So here's the kitchen. Here we are looking out the front window. So we're looking at a southern direction right now. Flooring. There's the door to the covered patio. There's that olive tree. There's the door to the outside, closet, kitchen counter to eat at. Here we are in the master bedroom. Here we are in the master bathroom, looking out the yard. Mountain views from the bathroom. Yup. Secondary bathroom. So there we are looking back towards the kitchen, the living area. We are now in the second bedroom. View of the backyard and mountains. There's a closet right there. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Ceiling fans in the two bedrooms. Yep, ceiling fans in all the rooms. And this is what this home looks like. And there you go, your new home on the golf course. To schedule an appointment to see the home, for more pictures or video, please contact Paul and Jody Polzarski, 480-777-7898, or email us, info@weneedtomeet.com. We can answer all of your real estate questions. Thank you.